Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. I was gonna call y'all chat. Happy Valentine's Day. My friends.
My friend.
Happy Valentine's from me to y'all. I hope you guys and ladies are having the most romantic day ever. I hope you feel the love in the air. All the magic and sparkles and whatnot. I have literally no idea what we're doing. I love when holidays like this or just moments like this, I see like the most romantic sides of my sweet fiance. He's so cute. I have no idea what we're doing. It's all like a surprise, so.
Well, we're on Rodeo right now.
Yeah, we're on Rodeo. I don't really know where we're going yet, but when we're there, I'll show y'all. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. And let's get into a day full of love.
Scary.
You're gonna clear it, babe. You got so much room up top.
This is scary. This is like a ride.
I know.
And over here we have the great mama. Scratched my car.
Where? Right here.
On that? That was already where I got it.
Alright, we've made it. Woo. Aww, how cute. Thank you, babe. Oh my gosh. How cute. So cute. Aww, I love you. Alright, it's too much copyright in here. I just want to give y'all a little preview. Damn. 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 Ah, we made it to the SoFi Stadium. SoFi Stadium. Let's see what's inside of here. Oh my gosh, you guys, Chino rented out the SoFi Stadium for us to have dinner. He got money.
What you say?
You got money. You rented out the whole stadium for us? I'm just kidding. We're at an all-star event. W Sons. Excited? Ooh, they got all the meats. They got all the tacos. They got asada, pastor. They got pollo. Getting something cauliflower. No sé qué es. But damn, that looks good. Ahorita regreso para unos tacos. Yeah, look, they got the salsas on deck. You know, as a Hispanic, you gotta have a lot of lime. Ooh, and they got the chiles. Okay.
What is that?
A little mini slida. Thank you. I'll take one also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ooh, that is yummy. Damn, we got front row show. We got, what are these dancer thingies called? Whoa, the people that dance with some strings. Yeah, okay, I'm so excited. Fire.
In a long time, guess who's back?
What happened to your channel?
Started him. Here's what happened.
Damn.
It took too long, but guess what? We're back in 2026 with a vengeance.
Oh, okay, okay.
I even brought guests. Take a look.
Woo! Yeah! Hi! Woo! Girl! Oh, I want to do that. That looks so fun. It's a little egg. It's a little egg in the air.
My toilet paper feels when I roll it
off and getting ready to wipe.
That's bomb. Hey, she built nice. Okay, girl. Aerobics, I think it's called, right? It's called aerobics? Yeah, W aerobics. I want her to wave back. Come on, wave at me. Like they do at Disneyland. Dang, that's super nice. This guy is literally painting this right now. Damn, that's nice. Wow. They did really good with the Phoenix sun colors, especially around the clouds. They use those colors because the sunsets in Arizona are like this beautiful, like purple, orange, bright yellows, like super nice. That is beautiful. Y'all got me a little tiny cone. Shout out to my girl back here. She got me. She don't do this. She said she'll put me a little cone of ice cream, but just for me.
With the love for the game that spans every generation and is celebrated across all cultures. This isn't the first time the eyes of the basketball world are focused on the Valley. And it won't be the last. Because this city was made for moments like this. A global stage built for everyone. Here, we elevate the game and celebrate those who make it great. From the streets to the hardwood, the city pulsates with the heartbeat of basketball. Once again, the sun.
Dangling. That's crazy. She's so high off the ground. Oh my gosh. Crazy. She's been doing all these drops and all this crazy stuff. Just rolling up and rolling down and oh my gosh, she's holding on by her head. Oh my god, that's scary. That is so scary, girl. You better get a grip. Oh my gosh. She is crazy. That is amazing. I know, like, how do you know that when it unrolls, it's not gonna unroll all the way? Dang. Look at, she's about to make herself spin. Woo! That's so fire.
Can't even spin around on the ground.
Whoa, that's crazy! Oh my god, this whole thing's shaking too. Woo! Woo! That is crazy. Super talented. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared for her. Wow. I know, it's just attached to a piece of string and some hook, which is also attached to this beam that is all shaking all over the place. Oh my gosh, she's brave. She's real brave. I'd be. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god, girl. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, please, 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 be careful. Oh my god, please, 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 please. Oh my god, please be careful, girl. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I feel like she's gonna unroll, or I don't know what's gonna happen, but oh my gosh, is she gonna drop? Is she gonna unroll herself again, or is she gonna spin? Remember what you know. That is just insane. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just so astonished. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the Valentine's video. We just got our goodie bag and we're leaving the event. Today was a beautiful day. It was a magical day. I hope y'all all felt so much love. So we're finally back home. I don't know if I showed y'all or no, I can't remember right now. If I showed y'all how Chino asked me to be his Valentine. I feel like I've been telling everyone about it, but I don't know if I vlogged it. But I came inside after picking something up and this is what it looked like. Well, these chocolates were actually in a bag and then there was a card and then I got flowers, of course. In the card it said, if you decide to be my Valentine, go to the balcony. And I was like, go to the balcony? I looked at him, I was like, go to the balcony? He's like, So he walked over to the balcony. He brought it inside already, but let me just show y'all. So I walked into the balcony and I saw this. I've been wanting one of these and he got me two. And then he got me got me soil, and the seeds that he bought for me to plant are strawberries, asparagus, and lilies. I love it. We're gonna build it right now. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done building it. You know, I've been cooking a little bit more, so I actually preheated the oven really fast to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna just pop it on the top pie. It counts, okay. But when we left the event, they gave us a goodie bag. It says, it's better in Arizona. And this side says, it's better in Arizona. All-Stars 2027. Shop the vibe. I want to show y'all what we got, because I haven't even seen what's in here yet. We got some Weeby coffee roast. Oh, so we got coffee beans. I bet this is bomb. Dang! Perfect gym water bottle. Gym flask. Neutral tone. Has a cute little hook. Dang, this is nice. All-Stars 2027. That's fire. It says, shh. So now you're getting exclusive first look at the Phoenix Suns NBA All-Stars 2027 logo. This reveal is confidential until it debuts during the All-Star game tomorrow. We kindly ask that guests refrain from photos, of course. Thank you for celebrating the kickoff to our All-Star journey with us. We can't wait to welcome you to Phoenix next year as we tip off All-Star 2027. And I think this is the logo. Cool. A non-alcoholic parch agave cocktail drink. Desert margarita flavor. That's perfect. That is on par with what I'm doing. Non-alcoholic. Ooh, a Catino hot sauce. Ooh. Got a little bit. Mmm. When I make nuggets. Dang, that's good. Arizona saltwater taffy. That's so cool. Saltwater taffy. What does that mean? No peanuts, no gluten, no soy. It comes in 4 different flavors. Palo verde, desert rose, tree frog, sanguro, cactus blossom. A prickle pear caramel, non-GMO popcorn. Oh, this is popcorn. Artesian popcorn. Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. Shout out to the Suns for always having us out. That's so awesome. All right, now I'm gonna build the garden bed. Here's the first one, or the first one's already out. This is the second one. Thank you, babe. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I have so much inspo and so many ideas too. Now finally designed the patio. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have a garden section now.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't done. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.